Enugu is probably the only city in Nigeria that has unwritten rule of compulsory community outdoor exercise.
How long have you been jogging?
Oh, I've been jogging for over 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow.
People troop out of their houses in mass to converge in Unity Park in Okpara Square, jogging, dancing, singing, running, and doing all kinds of exercise you can ever think of. You find people of all ages and social status in this place, therefore it's a perfect place for networking, meeting new people, friendship, and most especially marketing. Like this lady who tried to sell me a tiger nut drink, claiming it will make me a better man in the other room. If you know what I mean.
Oh, camera. Jaiba na camera. Ngabiano biaba na camera. Ke hinere. Ere wagagwa. Ya na onochie. What does that mean?
Tiger nut. Ego chaya kita na ni
Iwe ike megere. Chineke me.
Onye na-awere ike anya yi ya ike afa yi ya iko.
God ike ọ na-enye. What kind of power ọ na-enye? Ike means power. What kind of power?
Power ị ga-eji were
Jesus is Jesus is Lord. Nwunye m anọ here. My wife is in Abuja. Aga m anwụli ya because my wife is in Abuja. Nwụcha ya na ka nwaanyị nwere na nwaanyị nọ here na. Mba alụgo nwaanyị na-ahụrụ ego. Chere iti m na nsogbu.
And today let me show you everything you need to see about this outdoor sport that holds in Enugu State. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and most importantly, make sure you turn up your post notification so you get to see more videos like this.
Alright, what's up beautiful people, and good morning. Coming to you live from the 042 city of Enugu. This is where you have the largest gathering of outdoor joggers anywhere in Nigeria. On Saturday, people troop out here in numbers to jog, to exercise, and to have fun.
People just come in and do their own thing, while others gather in groups to perform exercises as given by their instructor. You also find other more organized groups like the Coast City Fitness Club who come in here every day on their customized t-shirt to work out.
You also find some people on the bike, alright? Look at this. People just park their cars everywhere and then they start, get on with the activities of jogging. Alright, so this is not just a student thing. This is all kinds of people come here. The rich, the poor, the middle class. Everybody is involved, okay? Big, small, everyone. Alright, so you can see people just park their cars and, getting on this activity. This is awesome. Keep going. Awesome. Alright, so still coming, I'm told that beside this jogging, there's going to be a time people also gather to dance. I'm going to be a because why are you
Ahambo Ifeanyi Chukwu, instructor enwe n'Okpara Square, onye na-eme ka exercise na-adị mma na-enye ụmụ nwoke flat tummy.
Hey Jesus, ka ndị na-afọ gafọ dị flat. Na-aka ya afọ ya dị flat, ọ eziokwu. Ọ ma ọrụ ya. Nna biko gwa anyị ihe. Okay, ha wa aka ọnụ gị.
Yes.
Okay, ndị chọrọ iso gị mee the thing, na-akwụ ụgwọ ka
a na-akwụ ụgwọ.
Okay, ngwanụ market, ame marketing gị. Kota ga-eche enweta gị, nwere nọmba.
Enwere m nọmba eji enweta m bụ 08131955426. Aha m bụ Ifeanyi Chukwu, aha oyibo m bụ Frank.
Okay, so onye bịa hala ahịa na ọ ga-enweta gị. So ka ihe si na-akụzi?
Ana m akụzi maka afọ ka ọ dị flat.
Okay.
Ana m agwọ maka ụkwụ mgbu. Ana m agwọ maka onye nwe knee problem.
Na ewuzi doctor nọ. Echeka m exercise ka ị na-eme.
Ana m agwọcha ihe niile. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-anya fụcha na ndị a niile n'ebe a na-agba bọọlụ bụ mụ asị aka ha gbaa bọọlụ ka anyị wee mewe exercise.
But ndị niile ahụrụ afọ ha apụtara.
Mbụ ha bidoro. Obere oge. Mgbe na-adịghị anya ịgakwa ịga ịhụ na afọ ha dị
flat. Olekwa na Ifeanyi Chukwu ya na-ebịa Enugu biko you contact Ifeanyi, especially unu nne nwere afọ ọbịa. Gbakote ya. Go tiri ga aka ka ofo get dey flat. Get dey fit ka mo.
Yes.
Go gozie again. Thank you. All right. Hello. What's the name?
My name is Nete.
Okay, so Meta, how long have you been doing this sport?
For like a month already.
A month. Okay, so that means you're new in Enugu.
No, we just when I started.
Okay, so you just joined 1 month ago. So far so good. How's it been?
As you can see now.
You're fitter than before.
Yes.
You have more flat tummy than before.
Yeah.
And just 6 pack and 8 packs. Or your own doesn't produce that.
Nah, my own is just flat. It's not
Yep.
normal flat.
Normal flat tummy. Please exercise more. Well done. Thank you very much for talking to us. All right. I'll be coming out here to jog.
I come here.
You come here does this activity happen every day? I thought it's on Saturday or no?
Every day.
Or every day, but mostly on Saturday.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, that's nice. Are you from Enugu? You live in Enugu. Okay, so why do you come out to do this? Is there any benefit you get out of this? Eh?
Yeah.
You just like it?
Is
It makes you fit.
Yeah.
You're a student?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. All right, nice to meet you. What's your name? Emmanuel. All right, nice to meet you, Emmanuel. Those are running late, so you can see right there. We ask you why this club is very important people to join.
Wow, very, very important people to join.
Okay.
Go City exclusive.
Oh,
They
beautiful.
are the best.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, how can people join? Someone that wants to join.
But you don't take anything for you to join.
Okay.
All you need to do is to obtain our form,
Okay.
fill the form,
Okay.
and that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
And it's open to everybody, young, old, anybody
Yes.
is welcome.
Yes,
What are the
everybody.
benefits you get?
Oh, benefit is enormous.
Okay.
Good health,
Oh, good health.
long life,
Okay.
all is there.
Okay. So you have good health, long
Yes.
life. Okay. So that's part of the exercise you do every day.
Exactly.
Okay, can you share your own experience? How long have you been jogging?
Oh, I've been jogging for over 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
Wow. And you can see she's not as young as me.
Yes.
Jogging over 10 years. That's awesome. Please, all our mommies at home, sitting at home, please come and jog.
Yes.
Join Enugu exclusive fitness
Wow.
club and come and jog, okay?
Yes.
It's very good for your health.
Yes.
Mommy, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well done, eh?
God bless you.
So the business also have a club, have a car, just to move around and just in case somebody gets tired, they can actually join the car. You can see that right there. Awesome. So at this time, we're actually jogging around the city. We've left Opera Square. Now we are jogging into the city. That's what's going on right now. Okay. All right, so let's follow me a little bit. Hey, say hello. Mr. Phone. Efegi dịkwa iche o.
Ezigbo.
Efegi dịkwa iche o. Gị obi shi customer si eke ọ dịse iche.
Awa ebe nwegele ya. Hazielu m ya, hazisie ya.
Hazie ọfụma.
Oye ife.
Na gị dị different from ndị ọzọ. Na ha nọkụ na emewela this thing. Ha nọkụ na emejọ gị na ha my first time joining. I just bata Enugu.
Okay, I've been here for a very long time.
Oh,
I've been
okay.
here for almost 5 to 6 years now.
6 years.
my name.
Okay.
I'm the one of the traffic role in Core City, Enugu.
Beautiful.
Exclusive.
Good.
The Gulugu have given us go ahead
Very
to
good.
make sure the exercise is good for everybody.
Okay, so what's the benefit of this we are doing?
Oh God, you can see everything about you working well.
Good.
No headache, no malaria,
Okay.
no knee pain,
Good.
no waist pain,
Good.
nothing.
So people should
nothing.
come and join the club.
Everybody should come and join.
How do we join?
You join with very easy way.
Okay.
Very easy way.
Okay.
Just pick your form
Okay.
and you belong.
That's it.
Whatever anywhere you are out of the world, you are free to join.
All right.
You are welcome.
It's open to everybody, right?
Open to everybody.
Perfect. Thank
Both
you.
Man and woman.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It's been a really fun time for me. I had to join these guys to jog, dance. It was really a good one, and I really enjoyed myself. So if you get a chance to visit Enugu, make sure that on Saturday morning you come here and join them as well. I think it happens every day, but I think Saturday is when you have more crowd. So it's really a fun one. Thank you. Hit the subscribe button. If you have participated in this kind of event before, let me know in the comment section. If they have this kind of event somewhere else beside Enugu, all right, that is happening somewhere else, please comment below, let me know. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the very next one. Don't forget to check out other content on Enugu that we have. There's a playlist, you can check it out, and I'll see you on the very next one.